Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new, and welcome on into today's video. I have my Boxycharm by Ipsy and my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of April. I am so gracious enough to receive this NPR from Ipsy, so thank you to Ipsy for gifting. And this is your chance and my chance, because I get my paid for Ipsy, to see what the offerings are for the month, what you could possibly get in your box, and or make the decision if you want to sign up for Ipsy or Boxycharm by Ipsy. Very quickly, our theme for the month of April 2024, welcome home. This month, come out of hibernation to embrace a dreamy new world filled with heavenly makeup, planet positive faves, and vitamin powered skincare to bring out your inner glow. And if you're unfamiliar, the OG Glam bag is 5 deluxe beauty samples. You get to choose one of your items. It is worth up to $70 and it is $14 monthly. Our Boxycharm by Ipsy is 5 full-size items. You get to choose 3 of those items. It's worth up to $200 and it is $30 monthly. I'm also going to note very quickly, I am very much under the weather. The pollen and me, we don't mix, so I'm not feeling my best. So this part of the video is a very short and sweet, let's get in here, let's unbox and see what we could get in our boxes. And then towards the end of the video, I will showcase some items for y'all, tell you how they feel, smell, do some swatches, do all the things so you can determine what you would like to pick for your choice, and choice does open on April 1st. So I'm going to dive into the OG Ipsy Glam bag first. And right now, today, this week, marks my 9th year getting my Ipsy Glam bag. That is crazy to me. Hopefully you guys are well. If you have an April birthday, happy birthday to you. That's so cute. It's a cute little peach. I'm assuming this is a peach, and that it is like blue and white canvas. That's adorable. All right. My first thing right on top is the Scone Luxe Lip Liner in the shade Cosmo, which looks to be more of like a mauve neutral shade. Next up, we have bubble wrap, which is always a good thing because that means, of course, it's makeup. And then anything that I know that I'm not going to use, I just put away for giveaways and stuff like that. I am a firm believer in not being wasteful of product. So we have this cute little palette here. This is the Chica Beauty, the Fiesta Mini Eyeshadow Palette. The packaging is super, super cute. It says 12 month shelf life. They're vegan, cruelty-free, and made with clean ingredients. There is the outer packaging. I definitely have enough, so this is probably not something I personally would use, but I think it's super, super cute and very spring-like. So far we have 2 makeup items. Next up, I have the Neogen, the V Biome Eye Cream. That sounds amazing. I am 45 with very dry, mature, textured skin, so I'm a firm believer in eye creams, so I'm not mad at that at all. Next up is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. And then last up in my OG bag is the Biro Pro Berry Pore Refining Toner. And the Biro, I believe it's the pear oil. Oh my gosh, it's one of my favorite products I've ever received. So we had 2 more skincare based products, and then our liner, our mascara, and our eyeshadow palette. Now we will dive into the Boxycharm by Ipsy, which should have been called Ipsycharm. I'm just saying. Anyways, this is 5 full-size products in here. And you'll also get your little informational pamphlet. And then with your OG one, you will typically get an informational card that will give you deets pricing as well. Everything is typically packaged pretty nicely, which I appreciate. And first, right on top, I see the Koa Life, the Detox Face Mask, clears complexion and detoxifies. That sounds lovely. I have to be very careful about detox type products because like this has oat, charcoal, and bentonite clay. I cannot personally use these. I feel like for myself, because I do have very dry, dehydrated skin, they just kind of suck any bit of moisture I have in my skin out, so I will pass that along for sure. Next up is the in Beauty Project, the Slushy Hyaluronic Acid and Bakuchiol Serum. Deeply hydrates skin and improves the appearance of uneven texture. Hydrates, clears, and smooths. Now that sounds great. And I will also show you what this looks like. They're also cruelty-free and vegan. Oh, that's nice. I actually may try some of this. I do have a little bit of my NOMAD Cosmetics moisturizer on, but I'll test this out in just a second for y'all. Next up is the Buxom Plump Shot. These are a little bit of a newer product for them. The Sheer Tint. It is a collagen-infused lip serum in Dolly Babe. So I'll also open this up and I will also try this on for y'all. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, that packaging. Nice. I know I am late to the Buxom game because they've been very popular for very many years. But I only recently in the last probably 2 to 3 years actually got into wearing glosses and stuff. So, you know. Next up is the Lith, I hope I'm saying that right, High Definition Gel Eyeliner. It is a gel eyeliner pen with a built-in angled brush. And it is in the shade Coffee. And it's in the shade Coffee Bean. That also sounds really, really nice. And I like that it's a brown. We get so many black liners, so I'm happy to see a brown one. And then the very last thing happens to be something that I already own, so I'll grab mine and do swatches for you guys. So I'm not even gonna take it out of this. This is the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette. Let me grab mine. That is the end of the actual unboxing part, the little spoiler edition, if you will. And then we'll dive in and we'll try to test out a couple of these products. I will get my palette and swatch it for y'all. So yeah, if you are stepping out and you only wanted to see the unboxing part, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe and join my beauty family. Thank you so much for being here. If you're sticking around for the try-on portion, let's dive in. All right, so I grabbed my palette. This is one of my favorite blush palettes. The packaging is absolutely stunning. They are cruelty-free, and there's weight and like substantialness to this. Is that a word? Probably not, but if it isn't, I'm just gonna blame it on being sick, y'all. Anyways, everything that I've ever tried from Lunar Beauty, I have loved. I think that he has phenomenal quality items. It does have a large mirror, and it does fold all the way back, which for me is important because I like to hold my palettes like this and then look right here in my mirror. So we have the shades Pink Moon, Twilight, Spacey, Soleil, Stargaze, and Gravity. I'm trying to hurry because of my voice. I'm sorry, you guys. They're very smooth. They're a very creamy, buttery, very blendable type of formula. I do like that there's one in here that's a little bit more shimmery as well. I have also found that they are quite long lasting on my skin, and I do like the shade variation in here as well. Hopefully these swatches look decent enough for y'all. So we have the lightest shade is Pink Moon, and we're going from left to right. They're not a super dry formula, which I also really appreciate. Let me wipe these swatches. I do have a little bit of lip liner on. I did take off the old that I was currently wearing. Already wearing? If you're new, I'm sorry. We're a little bit of a shit show around here. We are a come as you are channel. This is a safe space for everybody. I love everybody, and this is me, the real raw me, and that's how we like it around here. So I'm gonna go in with the Buxom Plump Shot Sheer Tint Collagen Infused Lip Serum. This says, this is our most advanced lip plumper in a sheer pop of color, clinically shown to plump, increase volume, and decrease lip lines, which I love that, and that's why I like the Patrick Ta one so much. Like, if you have any dryness, if you're more mature, you have smoker's lines, things like that, it takes that away, so I'm hoping this does the same thing. I am, because obviously I don't like to waste product. If I can open this, I'm gonna go in with a separate wand, but here is the doe foot that comes with it. I cannot smell anything right now, so I don't know how it smells. I'm gonna go in with this. I love the color. I feel like I'm smelling a little bit of mint, but I can't really smell the best right now, so I am sorry, you guys. This is kind of look really pretty with my lip liner I already have on too. Oh, that is nice. It feels quite thin. it's a beautiful level, even though it says sheer coverage. Let me get some more. It's a beautiful level of pigment. I can still definitely, you know, very visibly see it. I like it. I mean, obviously I can't attest to long wearability or anything like that. We'll see in the next few minutes if it does start to plump. So I like that a lot. So that is great so far. I definitely want to test this out. The N-Beauty Project, the Slushy Serum. I think this sounds incredible. Infused with hyaluronic acid, bakuchiol, and yuzu. This serum moisturizer hybrid instantly quenches and plumps your dry skin, adds glow, and helps visibly refine rough texture. Smooths lines and the look of pores. Super hydrating, plumps your skin. Potent in vitamin C. Yuzu, it brightens the look of your skin. Apply 2 to 3 pumps after your toner. Use alone or layer under moisturizer. I'm excited. I do have moisturizer on, so maybe this is not going to be the best, you know, thing to do, but here's before, just so we can maybe see if it does really hydrate well. It only took 2 pumps to come out. I'm going to do 3 pumps. It feels so cold and very strange. Oh, I don't like that texture, but that's just me. We'll get it blended in first. It feels like nothing. It literally feels like water. Oh my gosh, that feels great, you guys. It is incredibly cooling. Very, very thin. A little bit of a slip to it. Oh, I like this. I can definitely see some hydration. I'm gonna keep testing this out because I do have a lot of texture right here, and it went right into the skin. I can already snap. Oh, I think I'm gonna love this. Okay, the detox mask, the eyeliner, I'm gonna pass those products along. They're not something that I think I'm gonna use. You guys let me know, go ahead and comment. This is going up today. Let me know if you guys wanna see swatches with the little palette. If I do swatch this, just note that if you get this in a giveaway or something like that, that it was finger swatched, and then sanitized. And then of course, I'll take the Moon Prism palette and put it to the side as well. I think this is a banger of a month. My lips are on fire. Whew. Not as intense as the Too Faced. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit intense, you're gonna feel it. It's gonna look really beautiful. I think you'll like that. So if this is an option, I say go for it. The color is stunning. So yeah, let me know about the palette. I'll do a quick shorts and do some swatches and stuff with that. This is a win in my book. I think it is beautiful. It applies beautifully. That texture is so nice. Very, very weightless. I don't even feel it. So I think this is a great month, you guys. Let me know what you guys think of the selection. Do you already get Ipsy or Boxycharm by Ipsy? Ipsycharm, are you interested in it? Comment down below and let me know. Thank you so much to my beautiful channel members. Thank you to you beauties. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.